What's up, you guys? So today I have 6 cars behind me and we're going to be figuring out which one sounds the best according to everyone who works here. Alright, for the 6 cars we have a Lamborghini Urus, then we have a GT350, then a 911 Turbo, followed by a GT3 RS, and then a Ferrari FF, and finally a Porsche Taycan 4S. Last but not least, we have the Porsche Taycan 4S. Electric sound is on, so let's see. Alright, so up first is Dalton, and he's going to tell us which of the 6 he prefers the sound of.
Definitely the GT3 RS.
Good choice. Which exhaust do you prefer?
GT3 RS, for sure.
Why?
Because it's loud, it spits flames.
Out of the 6 cars, Taycan Urus, Turbo, GT3 RS, FF, and GT350.
Wait. You asking? Here we go. If a Taycan. Yeah.
Stop!
Wait. Taycan and Turbo. Fire.
Fired. So, exhaustive choice. Which one?
It's definitely the Taycan. No, I would say it's the FF.
Okay.
FF,
Nice. The electric noise engine sounds were on. So.
That sounds bad ass from outside.
It doesn't even shift. It just. It has like a spaceship sound. It's so bad. What would your top one be out of the 6? The cars we did. So, Taycan, Urus, GT3 RS, GT350, 911 Turbo, FF.
For exhaust?
For exhaust.
The RS 100%.
Yep.
100% RS.
I somehow got dragged into this, but it's gonna be a 2-parter. If we're just going based off of revving, definitely not the GT3 RS. It sounds like 4th of July. It sounds like fireworks.
Great.
So I'm gonna have to go with the GT350 for revving, but overall exhaust, just driving on the road, the GT3 RS.
Alrighty, so for my personal favorite, it has to be the GT3 RS. Not only does it sound the best, but it also has a flame tune. Alrighty, so that's the end to our video. Let us know which one you thought sounded the best. And again, feel free to comment things that you'd like to see us do or try with the cars here. But yeah, hope you had a good time watching and feel free to check us out.